What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Today we're going to be talking about FCEL and the stock ticker. This stock had a big gap up this morning at pre-market. We can see it gapped up from 33 cents to 45 cents and then pulled back and then ranged inside that zone the rest of the day. It did run up and hit a high of almost 50 cents. So I guess it did go a little higher than pre-market. So let's see. It did go 4 cents higher, so we did range within 50 cents to 36 cents, 37 cents. So this stock has a 24.07 million share float. That is optimum. We always want to be below 30 million. That's prime. Of course, that doesn't always work out, but we know with that, it has a lot better chance of going up faster. So we definitely want to watch out for that. We can see that we're sitting below the VWAP in after hours here and just below the moving average. So this is where most of the buyers are sitting at, and that is a bearish sign, and this is basically undecided at this point. So let's go ahead and start off by drawing our support and resistance. We got our resistance up here at 49 cents. Again, there was no news on this stock that I found today. There was some okay news last week, I believe, or maybe earlier this week, but nothing too substantial. So we won't really get into it. It didn't really help the stock that much. The support is about here at 37 cents. And then our median is here at about 43.5 cents. So that's what we'll have it. We have a pretty big range here, like I was saying. It did swing around a lot today. That's pretty volatile, so that's good to see sometimes, as long as you're not, holding the stock and losing the money. But for most people, they like to see that volatility so they can make that quick money. Now, what we're gonna want to see tomorrow for me, I'm gonna be watching this for a bullish play. Now, that doesn't mean I'm just gonna hop in and buy some stock and hope for the best. That's not a good strategy, right? So what we want to see is us. For me, I'm gonna have an alert set here at 43.50. This is the main level for me, this median right here. I want to see us break above this. I'm gonna have an alert so I know exactly when that happens. Next thing I want to see is us pull back and retest off that level. Kind of basically like how it does here, how it shoots up, pulls back, makes a large shooting star here, and then reverses back up. So it pushed up past this level here, found resistance here at the median, pushed down, spit out some reversal candles, bullish, and then ran up to 50 cents and then pulled back for the rest of the day. So that's the kind of thing we're looking for, but we want to see it here tomorrow when we wake up and we open up the market. We want to see it break back above that 43.50 level. Next thing we want to see is it retest off that level. So that way we know that we're not doing this, right? And how do we do that? Like we just talked about over here, we want to see some large bullish reversal candles, and we want to see that green volume come in, just like this right here. We want to see this pop up heavy green. Once we see that happen, and of course always watch your level 2 if you know how to do that. And so what I'll do is I'll have my order ready right above that pullback point, wherever that may be tomorrow, because it may be pull back here, it may pull back here, it may be right here, who knows. I can't predict that, but what we can predict is the basic overall move. So what we want to see is that, again, we have our alert 43.50 cents. Once it breaks, we want to see a retest. Once we see that retest and that stabilization, we have our order ready, right? So when that momentum hits, we just ride it right up to this 50 cent area up here, 49.50 cent level here. Now, what I do for me is I always sell 3/4 of my position off that first trade, whole or my entire position, whatever, it just depends. But most of the time it's 3/4, and then I hold it, watch to see if we break. And again, since this structure is so big, there's a good chance that we'll break here, 49.50 cents. We'll come back down and retest, and the same thing could possibly happen just like here if we find that stabilization on that 50 cent or on that 50.49 cent level, which means there's buyers they're ready to buy, then we're gonna ride that momentum again, and we can either add 3/4 of position here, add 1/4, whatever the case may be, whatever your strategy or plan is, and that's how you continuously stay in the profit and you stay risk free. So those are the 2 bullish trades that I'll be looking for tomorrow. Now, for short play, there really is not much here. Of course, we could always see a break below this 37 cents, and we could see it if there's absolutely no volume and there's only sellers tomorrow. We could definitely see it break below 37 cents, a retest off that 37, and then just like up here, that momentum returns. If you're shorting, then you'd want to see a rejection here, and you want to have your order ready right below that pullback point, just like up here, but reverse. And once that momentum kicks in, you ride that down to this next resistance down here, right? But this is not a very good short play, right? There's not much room. This is where we took off and created the structure in the first place. So really, sure, you can watch out for that, but I would expect to see us either A, range inside the zone for all day tomorrow, B, push up and make a move like this, C, fall down like that. So those are the 3 things I watched out for tomorrow. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Hit that bell notification so you know exactly when I release a video and you get notified every single time. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.